Every day in the USA, people find themselves in court.
All right, we are on the record in the matter of the state of Michigan versus Lawrence Mosley, 232205. All right, and appearance, counsel?
Your Honor, for the record, John Holt, plea 30758, on behalf of Mr. Mosley.
And Mr. Mosley, if you can please put your name on the record.
Lawrence Mosley.
All right, and so today's date scheduled for sentencing on your client's plea, guilty as charged for domestic violence. And counsel?
That's correct, Your Honor. Mr. Mosley did plead guilty as charged with the understanding this matter will be taken under 769.48. We have had an opportunity to review the pre-sentence report. I have met with Mr. Mosley at the Wayne County Jail yesterday, provided him with a copy of the pre-sentence report, and has reviewed as I indicated. The only, I guess, correction to be made would be that, that it states that in the report that he has 2 children. They were living with him and the victim at the time of this incident. That was inaccurate. The children and he and the victim have never lived together. That, as I've indicated, he has 2 children. Both are living with their mothers, and he has contact with them. The second thing is, Your Honor, he was working in at Domino's back in July. However, he's between jobs. He's looking for another job. However, he also owns rental properties, has annuities, and is attempting to become an entrepreneur. Other than that, Your Honor, there are no additions, deletions. He does understand that without a medical marijuana card, he has no marijuana, and he has no intentions of obtaining it. Is that correct, Mr. Mosley?
That is correct.
Okay, is Ms. Gadzowicz present?
And we're asking, of course, Your Honor, that the recommendation be adopted and that he be sentenced under 769.48, which I have explained to them in brief.
All right, what type of entrepreneurship are you looking to go into, sir?
We're going to have rental properties and which he is expecting to sell in the near future. And is that correct, sir?
That is correct.
Okay, and so are the children that you have, are those with Ms. Gadzowicz?
No, we don't have any children at all. No children.
Okay, so there's no reason to have any contact with her?
No.
Okay.
Not at all.
I will note that, and I understand that it's the police report, right? That's what I had to go on. It wasn't a statement from the defendant. But sir, the allegations are disturbing. I don't know how you could be so angry or frustrated or not maintain control of your emotions that you would throw an animal at her, lock her in a bedroom, and not allow her to make any phone calls. It's also noted that there have been at least I think 5 prior contacts with that location with you and Ms. Gadzowicz. Sir, I will not hesitate to revoke your under advisement status and revoke probation and sentence you to jail in the event of any violations of probation.
Understood.
Based upon the court's review of the report, the recommendation, hearing from counsel, hearing from Mr. Mosley, the court does find that there's reasonable grounds to depart from MCL 769.5. The court will order 18 months probation. You are not eligible for early discharge. That means you have to serve the whole 18 months on probation, sir. The court will note that you are eligible under 769.4A. The court will also note that Ms. Gadzowitz has spoken to somebody in probation, has indicated she's not requesting restitution for anything. And was noted, she was also notified of the hearing today, of the sentencing today, bless you. And it does not appear as though she's here. Which does not affect anything this court's going to impose as sentencing. You are not to violate any criminal law of any unit of government. You're not to leave the state without the consent of the court. You are to report truthfully to your probation officer as often as your probation officer may require, in person, writing, or virtually. You're to notify your probation officer immediately of any change in address or employment status. You're not using alcohol or drugs unless prescribed to be subjected to random testing. The rehabilitative goal for that condition is so that the court can monitor your progress in maintaining abstinence and sobriety. The court will order you to not have any contact with Ms. Gadzowitz. That's phone contact, text message, email, social media, third party, anything of the like. Do you have any property at the home, sir?
I do. I believe so, yes.
You do.
Yes.
You will be allowed one visit to go pick up your belongings at the home because you're not allowed to return there. You'll be able to pick up you'll be able to pick up your personal belongings, but you have to contact the police department first.
Okay.
Before you proceed there. You're not to go there without going there with the police department. You're not to possess or have access to any other weapons, or firearms. The rehabilitative goal for that condition is to ensure the safety of the community and the victim. You are to participate in a 26-week domestic violence counseling program. The rehabilitative goal for that condition is so that you may increase your responsibility for your actions and to educate you about how to change your behavior and manage potentially abusive situations in a safe fashion, so this matter does not reoccur. The court will also order 8-week anger management class. The rehabilitative goal for that condition is to assist you in learning how to properly express your feelings and needs and to emotionally prepare you for upsetting situations. The court's going to order $0 in restitution as there has not been any restitution ordered. Any questions regarding the terms and conditions of probation?
No question.
As to the fines and costs. $500 fine, $100 screening assessment fee, $900 supervision oversight fee, that's $50 a month and 18 months. $200 for cost of prosecution, crime victim assessment fee of $75, justice system assessment fee of $50, total of $1,825. Sir, upon your release, how much can you commit to paying, and when can you begin paying that?
I would have to say December 1st, and probably like $50 at that moment. Maybe 100. 50 to 100. I'll give that range.
All right, I'll indicate $50 per month. You can certainly pay more if you can pay more. Okay, sir?
Yes.
You understand that, Mr. Mosley?
Yes, I understand.
All right, and sir, please have this, you're going to have to, well, I think it would be easier if you don't have any other holds on you, do you, sir?
Not that I know of, no.
All right, I didn't see that you had any. All right, sir, so you should be released today. You're to report to probation tomorrow to get your instructions.
Okay.
And Your Honor, for some reason, he does not get released today. He then should appear on Monday.
Sir, if you are not released today, then you are to appear by Monday morning. If you are released today, you are to appear tomorrow morning.
Okay. Understood.
I have to confirm that, Your Honor.
By 9:30 a.m. Also, same time on the 6th if you're not released today.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, have a good day. Okay, let's go off the record for one moment after you search warrant.